Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you can learn how to create virtual environment in Anaconda Navigator and also using command prompt. For creating virtual environment in Anaconda, you must have installed Anaconda in your system. If you don't have Anaconda installed in your system, please go and watch my previous video. I share the link in the description and also in the I button. If you are new in my channel, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I create a new interesting video. So let's get started coding. For open Anaconda Navigator, go to search bar and type Anaconda and launch it. It takes couple of minutes. Here you can see the dashboard of Anaconda Navigator. In sidebar, you can see home, environments, learning, community. And in application, you can see base root, which is by default virtual environment, which is created in Anaconda Navigator. And these are my created virtual environments, which you can change from here. If you want to create a new virtual environment, go to environments and then go to create and enter the name. You can select the language from here and their version from here. I select the 3.8 version, then click on create. It takes a couple of minutes. Here our new created virtual environment is created. These are by default Vim packages. And if you want to create some new packages, search here like NumPy. Here you can see the NumPy package. You can select here and apply and click on apply button. It takes couple of minutes. Now see in installed. This package is installed. Remove it. All these packages are installed in this new created environment. If you want to run the terminal, click on it, open terminal. And run the command like Conda. You also create virtual environment from command prompt. For this, open command prompt. Now type Conda, hit enter. If you don't get this kind of output, then you have to set environment variable. For setting environment variable, you can open environment variable, click on environment variables, click on path. Here you have to add these two environment variable. I add these two in the description also, so don't worry. For creating virtual environment, type Conda create -l, then name of the virtual environment, then Python version. I put 3.8 version, then hit enter. Click on yes. For activate this environment, you have to write this code, copy and paste, and hit enter. The virtual environment which we created here is activated. For deactivate the environment, you have to type Conda deactivate. Hit enter. For delete this environment, you have to give this command, Conda env remove name and then name of the virtual environment. Hit enter. All packages of in this environment is removed. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helps you, then please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.